When me check it out there. Yo, down in the ghetto, the people they go son with no echo. Yo, Mafunyeta, just coming, just like a label. Yo, suffering days all over. Thanks and praise to Jehovah. Now that the storm is over, you can come out a cover. Yo, suffering days all over. Thanks and praise to Jehovah. Now that the storm is over, you can come out a cover. Yo, I see the ghetto youth, they are drinking in a very special places, in a very expensive bars. I see the ghetto youth driving in a very expensive cars. They are driving too fast, going far, so far from area 18 Kawale, 49 to too far. Tabanga manage from Taana 136 amena nare mu bondage. Bana bagumata kujya college, mama wa masana sausage. Life is alright. Yo, I know someday in a ghetto day, people never go feel fine. Yo, suffering days all over. Thanks and praise to Jehovah. Now that the storm is over, you can come out a cover. Yo, suffering days all over. Thanks and praise to Jehovah. Now that the storm is over, you can come out a cover. Yo, hey, Godfather, I see the children, them are climbing up to top the ladder, waking harder, and them are loving each other, and I know them are go reach further. As Mafunyeta go, me no surrender. Yo, me sounding with no echo, just like the assistants conquer Jellico with Jalof alongside musical and Mumfuse Winiko. When me there, me na fear no evil, me born devil, and the people them a fi know when me are rising up just like a label. Lina this a studio. Suffering days all over. Thanks and praise to Jehovah. Now that the storm is over, you can come out a cover. Yo, suffering days all over. Thanks and praise to Jehovah. Now that the storm is over, you can come out a cover. Yeah, no more suffering. Yeah, we born bad alliation in our nation. With me boss, in a me darkest complexion, representing love. And this a song. Sometimes we represent fire, cause we are so strong. And you know, when me check it, no more fighting. They are loving. We born backstabbing. We know I no backbiting. And the children them are in a party, them invite me.